हेलो गाइज़ एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो गाइज़ बहुत दिन हो गए थे, कोई भी स्टडी रिलेटेड मैंने कोई भी वीडियो नहीं डाली थी। सो आई थॉट कि कुछ स्टडी से रिलेटेड वीडियो डालनी चाहिए। देन आज मैं रिवीजन करने वाला हूँ। येस, आई एम गोइंग टू रिवाइज टुडे कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स। तो मैं आप लोगों को बता देता हूँ, मैंने कुछ दिन पहले एक वीडियो बनाई थी जिसके अंदर मैंने बताया था कि आई टुक प्रेपरेटर ऐप। सो गाइज येस, आई टुक प्रेपरेटर ऐप एंड आई स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग फ्रॉम प्रेपरेटर। सो जो मैंने प्रेपरेटर से प्रिपरेशन चालू की, आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम बायोकेमिस्ट्री बिकॉज सम ऑफ न्यूरो एनाटॉमी बिफोर आई स्टडीड फ्रॉम डॉक्टर नजीब, some of physiology also I studied from Dr. Najib. So I thought that the volatile subject is biochemistry. I don't know about biochemistry, so because there are many kind of cycles, many confusing things are there in biochemistry. So I thought that first of all I should clear all my concept in biochemistry. So I took biochemistry and I started biochemistry from preparator. So guys, I think 10 to 15 days are over and I am studying only biochemistry from preparator. So I completed my carbohydrates. Yes guys, I completed my carbohydrates topic. That is, I think unit 1 and unit 2 topic is there, that is carbohydrate, taught by Smiley Pruthi ma'am, and that is very good topic. That I don't know that is hard topic or easy topic, but the way ma'am taught us, that's very good, and I like the way that ma'am taught us. And I completed my carbohydrates and I made whole notes. For wait a minute, I'll show you my notes. So guys, these are my biochemistry carbohydrates notes. You see, I'll show you from the starting. This is the, wait a minute, this is the starting. It is start from the 4 formulas, and from here till this much, and this whole is carbohydrates. Yes guys, this whole, you can see this much notes only of carbohydrates, and this whole today I am going to revise. Before also I revised 1 to 2 times, but I think that I have to revise it again, because as you all know, for the preparation of MCI, for the preparation of NEET PG, any kind of competitive exam, we need revision more and more. I also saw many of the interviews of the toppers. They also say the same thing again and again, that how much revision you do, that is beneficial. So I thought that how much revision I will do, as much as I can able to do before going to my college. So I'll do that only. Same thing I'll do as much as revision I can do. So first of all, I will revise whole my carbohydrates. Whatever carbohydrates I will revise, I will tell to you, I will try to explain you. As you all know that there are many cycles in carbohydrates, like glycolysis cycle is present, TCA, that is also called as tricarboxylic acid, or Krebs cycle, etc. Like this many cycles are present. Hexose monophosphate cycle, gluconeogenesis, like this many cycles are present. Galactose metabolism, fructose metabolism. So all these things I will try first of all to revise. Then after revision, I will try to explain you, I will try to tell you something, some of the important basic points. So guys, first of all we should start the revision. So first of all I'm going to revise. So I'll start from the starting. The starting is from the 4 formulas. In these 4 formulas, first of all we are studying about anabolic and catabolic. What are the difference between anabolic, catabolic, and what are the process included in anabolic, what are the process including the catabolic, what are the hormone which used to regulate the anabolic process, what are the hormones which used to regulate the catabolic process. So all these things I am going to revise, and this is the a little different way I am making the video, because some of the work is going in my home, so I'm little disturbed from where I used to usually make the videos. So no problem guys, our main motive is just to study, not to focus on the background or anything else. Guys, we are going to start a revision. So we will start from 4 formulas, then we will start the cycles, and then finally it will end up to the glucose fructose metabolism. So let's begin. So guys, first of all I completed with 4 formulas. The starting topic, which was 4 formulas, I completed, and now I have to start full of the cell organelles. Yes guys, in this I have to study cell organelles, because as you all know that for all of the cycle, like glycolysis, gluconeogenesis cycle, TCA cycle, etc cycle, all we have to know that where the actual pathway occurred. like etc occur in mitochondria, like tc and etc are vital cycle, both occur in mitochondria. So like this thing we have to know about the cell organelles, that what are the layer of the cell organelle, like mitochondria consists of inner mitochondrial membrane, outer mitochondrial membrane, and we should know that which are the things which cannot pass inner mitochondrial membrane, which cannot pass outer mitochondrial membrane. Inner mitochondrial membrane is semi permeable membrane due to presence of cardiolipin. So these are the important things that we have to know. If we don't know about this, then we are not able to focus on the cycles also, because in fmge exam some of the questions can be asked like that. Because as I studied about the question, I searched many of the questions, ma'am also told us many questions, so in that they directly also they can ask that where the etc pathway occur, where the glycolysis occur. So like this thing we have to know that. So for that, first of all I have to complete my cell organelles. In this, whole of the cell organelles consist of first of all study about the prokaryotic and eukaryotic, then mitochondria, cytoplasm, perioxysome, endoplasmic reticulum, rough and smooth. So all these things first of all I complete, then after completing whole of my cell organelles, I will directly jump to the cycles, the pathways, the tca cycle, glycolysis pathway, gluconeogenesis, all these pathway, then I directly start studying. So first of all we are going to complete my cell organelle. So guys, let's begin our cell organelles, and as I complete I will tell you when I'll start my revision of cycles and pathways. So guys, finally after doing a lot of revision, after 3 years I finally completed my whole of the carbohydrate topic. As I told you before that I was studying first of all cell organelles. First of all, from the starting I studied from the 4 formulas. In the 4 formulas I studied about the catabolic and the anabolic process, what is catabolic process and what is anabolic process. So about both of these things, by which of the hormone these are getting regulated, these things I studied in the 4 formulas. Then further when I jumped there, I start studying cell organelles. Before also I told you that the cell organelles are very important as to know the pathway, as to know the cycle, because where actually the cycle and where actually the pathway is occurring, we should know the proper place. Because as you know that tca cycle, etc cycle both are occurring in mitochondria, because these are vital cycle. Anabolic pathway are usually occurring in cytoplasm and the catabolic pathway are usually occurring in mitochondria. But as you all know, the biochemistry have exceptions. So like this also contains some of the exceptions, like glycolysis and link reaction. What is glycolysis, what is link reaction, that I am explaining you first of all. Then I will tell you that where it is placed. So first of all, glycolysis is the formation of pyruvate from glucose. So what is the full cycle, I will tell you. Starting from the glucose, that is glucose 6 phosphate, then fructose 6 phosphate, then fructose 1,6 bis phosphate, then formation of dihydroxy acetone phosphate occur. Then by the help of the enzyme isomerase, the formation of glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate occur. Then from glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate, the formation of 1,3 bis phosphate occur. Then from 1,3 bis phosphoglycerate occur. 1,3 bis phosphoglycerate occur. Then formation of 3 phosphoglycerate. Then formation of 2 phosphoglycerate, and then formation of phosphoenol pyruvate, and then formation of pyruvate. These are the simple steps for the formation of aerobic glycolysis cycle, which is usually placed in catabolic, but due to exception, glycolysis and link reaction are placed in anabolic pathway. So glycolysis cycle occur in cytoplasm. It do not occur in mitochondria, as this is the exception. This is catabolic process, but as this is the exception, this is occurring in cytoplasm. So I told you whole about aerobic process. What is aerobic process? From the starting, from the formation of glucose till the pyruvate. this is the simple cycle. In this cycle, different uses of the enzyme occur, in which the rate limiting step, the enzyme is phospho PFK1, that is phosphofructokinase 1. This is rate limiting step, phosphofructose kinase 1. So this was only about this video. I will not explain you whole of the cycle. This was just a revision video that we will do. Two cycle revision we done in this video. If I will get good response from this video, then I will make like this video more, which will base on the revision. You can also do revision with me as I do. So thank you guys. We will meet soon with a new video. और जब तक के लिए बाय बाय, खुदा हाफिज़, दासिफ दानिया। मिलते हैं कोई नई वीडियो में कोई नए टॉपिक के साथ।